The first thing our new hire did was fix a bug that's been bugging him forever as a user, prior to joining. He then breathed a sigh of relief and submitted his 2 weeks notice. What the frick? Is there documentation? Found out my wife is due in December and I'm already sweating about what to name this kid. I have hard enough time deciding what name to my variables. How can I name a human? Poor little I. Before. Lumberjack. Web developer. Now. Lumberjack. Web developer. 1. Plus 2. Plus 3. Plus 4. Plus 5. Plus 6 in double quotes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Me making a deprecated feature hard to use so I can't get rid of it. The client getting used to it. Ghost. Not terrible. Zombie. Not terrible. Nuclear war. A little scary. Regex. How to reattach a detached head. FBI. How to reattach a detached head Git. How to kill a child python. When you suddenly find out how much your PM earns. I go to project management. Programmers in enterprise company. No thanks, we are too busy. Programmers in startup company. No thanks, we are too busy. Programmers in government. No thanks, we are too busy. HTML works even if you don't follow the rules. CSS doesn't work even if you follow the rules. JavaScript doesn't tell you the rules to begin with. He's probably thinking about other girls. What happens if I git ignore the git ignore file?
I don't need sleep, I need answers.
I'm a sneaky fox. Sneaked in for house. Sat on your couch. Ate your pasta. Switched spaces for tabs. Since you like coding, you must be pretty good at math, right? When you see your coat after a vacation. More like the next day. When my software engineer is asked to look at household electric items, it seems to run on some form of electricity. Has anyone figured out how to say, "You'll sound crazy" in a professional setting? There seems to be a disconnect. Are you ill? No, just feeling a bit off. Poor guy. This is the worst code I've written. This is the worst code you've written so far. After all, why not? Why shouldn't I press Ctrl+S several times? 100 likes on Instagram. 50 upvotes on Reddit. 5 upvotes on Stack Overflow. My teammates appreciating me for being available during the weekends. Me an introverted frick who doesn't have a social life. Me with a 4-year computer science degree. Writing mostly HTML, CSS, PHP as a freelance WordPress developer. Front end. Back end. Mom, can we have Visual Studio? No, there is a Visual Studio at home. Visual Studio at home. Notepad++. When asked to draw a flowchart of my code. Start. Magic. End. Anyone got a good game engine? Been wanting to make a game but there are so many game engines. And plus I'm not that good in coding. Can you guys recommend some game ideas? Which language do you know? I'm from UK so English. Debugging is like an onion. There are multiple layers to it, and the more you peel them back, the more likely you're gonna start crying at inappropriate times. Users finding the true download button on an ad-ridden website. Users looking for the download button on GitHub. The world if people taught pointers as simply just an address in memory. Me trying to find a working link in a forum thread from 2005. Python errors, oh dear, gorgeous. C++ errors, you freaking donkey. Computer science students. Year 1, print hello world. Year 2, data structures, DBMS, operating system. Year 3, I wanna go home. When you make a nice loading animation, but your server is too fast for it to show up. Suffering from success. Any programmer. Hey man, it's been a long time, how are you doing? I have a $1 billion app idea, do you want to partner up? You do the work, I'll handle the ideas. Me taking advice from a Stack Overflow thread from 7 years ago. Theory is when you know everything, but nothing works. practice is when you don't know anything, yet everything works. In programming we combine theory and practice. Nothing works, and we don't know why. Software developer. Professional Google searcher. I feel personally attacked. When front-end was created faster. Car testing. Users. X plus equals 1. X plus plus. X minus equals minus 1. I see you're a man of culture as well. Cat. Cat.zip. Mobile app development. Web development. Developer during interview. Do you give bonuses for developers? Interviewer. No, but we have colored couches. Developer. You son of a bitch, I'm in. When you're a programmer getting help from IT. Apes together strong. Me, first time seeing a Python code. Where semicolon and brackets? Me, why does my code take so much to run? My code? Atheists, I don't believe in God. Also them when they are BIOS updating. When you can't figure out if your loop executes or not. Random print statements go. IT interview. Can you work under pressure? Yes, of course. 3 months later. What do you do? I work at Google. You? I Google at work. Even the guy at Google Googles at work. As someone who worked with code, I know that an array is more efficient than a heap. Despite this, I keep my clothes in a heap instead of an array. Me just asked stupid question on Stack Overflow. Kind person. One fully detailed answer. Me gathers the courage to ask my first question on Stack Overflow. First answer. Duplicate, you freaking donkey. I wish all Eclipse users a very pleasant better IDE. Another meeting, that should have been an email. Programmers looking at programming memes. Ah, humor based on my pain. Me, I like this APA. Documentation, it's being deprecated. I guess I'll just go frick myself then. A group of 6 or more programmers is called an argument. You don't ever have to pass parameters if every variable is a global variable. When your boss tells you that production is down on April 1st, then you realize they're not kidding. When it's your first day of work at Google and they don't ask you to reverse a linked list. Years of academy training wasted. Getting an answer on Stack Overflow. Answering your own question to help other in the future. Answering your own question, so next time you have that bug, you could find your own solution. Whoa! You made it to the end. Here's some meme juice for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily meme juice. Also, check out the description for more juicy meme videos. See ya!